Hi, I'm Andrea Zanella, professor at the Department of Information Engineering of the University of Padua. And I'm here today to present this brand new course named ICT for Industrial Applications. This course will be offered for the first time this year at the master degree in ICT for Internet and Multimedia. This new course adopts a new perspective. As a matter of fact, it is a mix of academic lectures, industrial seminars, and lab experiences. This year, we will have in particular speakers coming from top-tier companies in Italy and in the world, starting with Huawei, one of the biggest manufacturers of telecommunication devices in the world, that will present the role of ICT industry, the current trends, the vision for the future, and some open challenges. Then we'll have a series of lectures given by Infocamere, an Italian company that provides ICT services to the Chamber of Commerce in Italy and to other business in Italy. And we'll present an emerging paradigm in the networking domain that is known as software-defined networking. We'll also have some lab experiences to let students practice with this new technology. Then we'll have Infineon Technologies, one of the biggest semiconductor manufacturers in the world, that will present the Aurix board. Aurix is a board that is today used in a number of vehicles to control safety operations, like emergency brake and similar things. We will have also a lab dedicated to this board, during which students will have the chance to program this board and implement some simple functions. Finally, we have Blue Wind, a local company operating in the sector of industrial, automotive, and home and health applications. And they will discuss about the aspects related to safety and security in the application of ICT solutions in these domains. So if you are interested on this course, please sign in now using the e-learning website. See you at the course.